everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, as I promised a couple of videos back that I'll be making a video about plane spotting at Kolkata Airport, which is the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport and not the Beala Flying Club, the name being CCU, the code. So actually I got the information last night that an Antonov 124 is heading in from Russia and might be making a refueling and just a transit stop in Kolkata. So I'm headed over there to the airport right now. So like there is a place I know above a hotel. I won't reveal the location, otherwise secrets. So yeah, once we head over there we'll be around for let's say 1 or 2 hours, and since the Antonov is a cargo plane, there is no scheduled departure for that aircraft as of now. So if that plane takes off while we are there, then well and good, otherwise my camera lens is pretty adequate, like it's a 300, so I think it will be adequate to capture the aircraft within the airport premises itself. So yeah, let us head over there and then I'll continue the video. The traffic is pretty heavy now. This is the Belguda Expressway and it's usually pretty empty. It's not this crowded, but since today is Mahashashti, the Durga Puja celebrations are taking place in Kolkata. So yeah, despite the COVID-19 restrictions and everything, people are still out on the road, and I don't know why, but then people maybe they don't care about their lives, maybe, I don't know, they're suicidal. Okay, it's their life, their problems, nothing should I care about, but then yeah, the traffic condition is really very bad. So like last day I went somewhere and then it's a 20-minute drive, but then it took 40 to 45 minutes and my average speed that I could maintain was around 30 or 40. So yeah, the traffic conditions are pretty pathetic right now in the city. I hope that once the festive season is over, it will be resolved and we'll have smooth traffic as we had before. Guys, if you want to, you have seen the meme, I'm pretty sure about. Okay, now we'll talk about the meme a little bit later. First, I want to tell you that usually my friend accompanies me on such vlogging and small rides, but then he's unable due to some reasons. So my dad is actually accompanying me on this trip, which is a first time for me. Like this is the first time that he's accompanying me on a shoot, to be honest. So yeah, that's something new for this trip. And yes, now what I was telling you about that meme, have you seen that meme, like Ladakh light pros, stuff like kya kar rahe hai? Dude, what the heck, man, what the heck, like why do you have to cross over like that? Come on. Yeah, the meme was talking about like the road somewhere around this place, they have become like Ladakh light. So if you are on a budget and you want to go there, I have been to Ladakh, but then I can assure you some of the roads over here then worse than Ladakh. So yeah, you will be having a pretty similar experience, and then not that I recommend it, but then take it with a pinch of salt. That's all I can say. And still we are facing traffic. Actually on my right side is the Kolkata airport right now, the boundary walls. The shoot location is actually a little far away, so I have to travel over there first. This thought. This traffic. कब खत्म होगा ये ट्रैफिक? कैन है तो जैम लगे? कैनो? पुलिस गाड़ी सामने ताऊ कैन है तो जैम? Okay, that's the Kia Carnival. So that's the first time I'm coming across the Kia Carnival, and okay, it certainly looks a lot better than it looks in pictures. Now, this is not a video about the Kia Carnival, but then I must say the car looks pretty handsome. Because as you may be able to see, over there you can see the airport radar actually. And this is actually the boundary of all of the airport, and we're driving beside that road and we'll be reaching the location very shortly. Actually the last time I came to shoot over here, I actually shot my photos like somewhere in this vicinity, like the 747 photos they are taken around here. So but this time it's an Antonov, it's even bigger and it's more rarer than the 747. Like we actually come across certain 747s, but in the Antonov in Kolkata it's damn fucking rare. So yeah, let me first reach to the shoot location. I won't be bothering you guys with any more like traffic. Like I know it's really irritating, but then I had to share some facts with you. So yeah, once I reach the location, I'll be continuing with the video. So stay tuned. So hello guys. As I said, I'll be continuing the video once I reach the airport. So here we are. This is the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata, West Bengal, India. And as you can see, like I won't reveal where exactly I am, but then if you can guess it, please don't comment down below, because this is my little secret and I won't like it to be exposed to everyone. So yeah, as you can see, let me go over the things one by one. That small dot you can see over there at the center, yes, that aircraft, I guess that was 737, just landed. I don't know from where, but then today the aircrafts are landing from that side and then taking off from, towards myself. They're taking off towards me. And this side, these are the solar panels. Now, Kolkata airport's energy requirements are mostly made by the solar panels. So you can say that it's a very eco-friendly airport. So yeah, as Kolkata Bashi, we are truly proud of this venture. So yeah. Now, oh no, sorry, that's my bad. That's actually an AirAsia A320. Sorry, my bad. Extremely sorry. Yeah. Now the reason why we came here today. Can you notice that white aircraft in the background? Yes, the small one. I know I'm recording with a mobile phone and it's not pretty evident over here, but then yes, that is the Antonov AN-124 belonging to Volga, and that plane is actually coming in from Russia right now and it has landed in Kolkata. I don't know for what. Maybe a refueling stop, maybe something. Yeah, but actually an Antonov is Kolkata is pretty rare, and like most of the spotters in Kolkata were waiting for the opportunity to shoot this aircraft, but then I thought like, if I'm shooting it, why not share it with you guys? So yeah, I will be posting the photographs of the aircraft on my Instagram along with other like photos which I'll be shooting today, other different aircrafts, helicopters and stuff like that. So yeah, please check out the photos on Instagram, and when the handle is @Shobiographer, I'll be putting a link in the description box down below. So yeah, like stay tuned for the footages, like as and when the planes will be coming in and going, I'll be sharing them with you. So yeah, please stay tuned. So yes guys, that was all for this video, and today I had a really great day with that Antonov, which is parked right behind over there. I mean, it's not pretty evident, but then it's an amazing aircraft. It's really massive. Like the last biggest I saw, that was a 747. I never had the chance to encounter A380, but this is humongous, man. I mean, in the photos you can realize, I mean, it's really massive. It's really massive. Like, I know the largest sibling is the Antonov 224, which is the largest aircraft. So yeah. Anyways, if you like this video for whatsoever reasons, please make sure to like it, and if you have any queries except the location, which I won't be sharing with you anytime soon, you can drop it in the comment section below. You can DM me on Instagram. The link will be in the description box down below. And please subscribe to the channel, because it really encourages me to make further content for you in the future. So yeah, that's all for this video. I'll meet you all in the next video. Till then, stay safe, always wear a helmet, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.